In this video, I'm going to be doing the amplifier to speaker wiring. So off camera, I took this wiring harness that is used to plug into the SCAR 4-channel amplifier, and I just soldered on 4 different lengths of speaker wire that will correspond to different speakers in the car. Obviously, they're all measured out already. Okay, so I just ran the speaker wire through the hole here and have them all laid out. So I'm gonna attempt to make it look as discreet as possible, and at least try to get the back ones done in this stretch of time. So I'm thinking about running it up along there and then through this same hole that the factory speakers are coming out. Okay, so I just did the first one. I'm leaving the stock speaker wiring out in the open in case I ever want to put something normal back in. And I just have it zip tied to this harness and tucked around there. Same kind of process with this side. I'll just go up and through there. Okay, so as of right now, I have both of the rear speakers tucked up. You can see it's running through the top of there, and then this one over there joins it, and they're both zip tied to that harness and then running back behind this thing. So next I gotta hop in my trunk and dick around with running it all the way through the doors and everything with these 2 sections of wire.